Hi, I'm Curtis and I want to show you an easy way to trace with nice values on your TI-84 Plus graphing calculator. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is I want to put in my function into Y1, which I've already done. And then you'll want to press the mode key and arrow down and select, instead of full, you'll want to select the graph table mode, or if you have a TI-84 Plus graphing calculator, you'll just see GT. So press enter on that. And then press second and the table set. Make sure that your table is set up the way that you want it, with both the delta table and the table start. And then press window to check to make sure that your window is set up the way that you want. And now press second and the table. What this does is allows me to trace along the table values and see how those are such nice values to trace along the curve. If you want to learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest at @TICalculators, and visit our webpage at education.ti.com. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.